Hello everyone. I am back with yet another video on tips and tricks to improve your English. 20, 30 years ago, English teachers used to assign homework. We were asked to collect information or write articles on stray cattle, kite flying, things like this. Nowadays, kite flying is almost disappearing. What we see around us is mobile tower. What we see around us is solar panel and windmill. So teachers nowadays have started assigning activities like describe the utility of mobile tower. Always remember, as an observer, we observe so many things. Whatever we observe stays in our subconscious mind. If you try to recollect patiently, you can write in a sequential manner. This is the best way to improve your English skills. You need to get exposed to frequently asked questions in websites, any website of your choice. Frequently asked questions are questions which are answered by experts. Since experts answer with utmost clarity and analogy, this will help you to improve your creativity to a good extent. And more than that, you will also know different ways of articulating your views. If you have the habit of reading the views which viewers express at the end of YouTube video, that will also help you to a good extent. We come across so many proverbs. Slow and steady wins the race. Face is the index of mind. Be a Roman when you are in Rome. Always remember that we need to use all these proverbs. Of course, you can also come up with new proverbs of your choice, like wealth is health, divided we stand, united we fall. Only thing is, you need to come up with an example to prove that the way you have coined a proverb also makes sense in the present day. Then let me end the video by telling you what you mean by heights of imagination. Heights of imagination refers to rewriting something on our own based on a historical event. Wall Street crash refers to the economic slowdown of USA, which started in 1929. This can be converted into a humorous situation. You can come up with an example of your own. You can write a story in which you involve a traffic jam in New York, and finally you can conclude that this is what is known as Wall Street crash. Similarly, all of us know that Operation Polo refers to the merger or integration of Hyderabad into the Indian Union. This happened due to the valiant efforts of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was one of the great sons of Mother India. But if you wish to give a humorous dimension to this without being offensive, you can try out the following. That is, a man once tried to swallow polo because he wanted some mouth freshener. It so happened that it got stuck in his throat and he was operated upon. Similarly, Freedom Fighters Pass. Freedom Fighters Pass refers to a pass given to the freedom fighters which enables them to avail travel concessions. You can refer Freedom Fighters Pass as a pass through which greatest freedom fighters of India traveled during their exile in the British period. These are some ways and means by which you can improve your communication skills. Always remember that sky is the limit if you have the inclination and the right attitude to do things.